Hello again and welcome back to Canva for Authors. And today we're going to talk about this tilt shift effect or the miniature effect and how to do it. It's really quite simple. Because we're authors, I'm going to put it on a book cover. Okay, so rather than start from scratch, I'm going to start with a new page. Before we do that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like to come and talk to other authors about how they use Canva, please join our free Facebook group, Canva for Authors. The link will be in the description. Okay, so these are two photos that are perfectly normal photos that I've tried to make look like miniatures. So I am going to start with, this is the dimensions for a Kindle book cover. We need something that is portrait because you need a bit of length for it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a photo. See if I can see this one in recently used. Okay, so this one's a pro photo, but you don't need to use pro elements for it. So the trick is that you need quite a lot of foreground before the interesting bits. So we're going to focus on the interesting bits here, and you need a reasonable run up to it. Okay, now I don't really understand how this works. I'm hoping somebody who knows more about eyes can tell me, but it's something to do with the way brains process focus and how we expect things that we're focusing on to be on the same plane. And if bits of it are blurred, our brain works out how far away they are, and from that what size they are. So anyway, it's pretty obvious they're far away at the moment. So what we do is we go to Picture, Edit Image, Blur. And then we go plus blur. And I'm going to increase the brush size to as big as possible and the spread as much as we can, and the intensity up a bit as well. And then I can always change it. Right, so we need to blur out quite a lot of the foreground, a little bit of the edge, a little bit of the background area there. Done. Let's have a look. There you go. That's really all there is to it. Miniature effect. If you play around with how far up you go, I've found that if you blur out more of the bottom than you do at the top, it looks a little bit more convincing. And then all I did to make it a sort of arty, literary, social commentary type book cover is to give it a title and author name. Yeah, try it. See if it works for you. It's quite fun. Nice short one this week. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like a free set of templates where you can just drag and drop your book covers in to do your promo, please sign up to my newsletter. The link is in the description. And if you want to come and talk to other people who use Canva and who are authors, just come and join the Facebook group. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends. Thank you for your time.